So, ito guys, yung digital chuchu. Ayan. Tapos, i-tear natin. Tapos, lagyan natin ng 100 grams. Or 50 grams lang guys. Guys, ang bobo ko guys. May cover pa pala. Shit. Shit talaga. Ulitin natin. Ulit. Bobo. Ayan. Kaya pala. I-tear natin. Tapos lagay natin. Just to make sure. Ayan. Sobrang dami nga talaga. Tapos, compute natin ang 10% sa ChatGPT. Hingi tayo ng help ni ChatGPT. ChatGPT. 10% of 50 grams in ml. Ayan. Good thing may ChatGPT tayo. So, it is 5 ml for liquid. So, kailangan natin ng 5 ml na scent. Ayan, good thing meron ako nito. I have this 5 ml. So, ayan, meron din 5 ml na syrup cup. So, ito yung gagamitin natin na scent today. It's lemon. I want to do the trial for lemon. Open na natin siya. Because I need to use 5 ml. So, ito yung new na binili ko sa La Flachuruchuchu sa Shopee. And, konti na lang. So, lagyan ko na lang ng konti nito. I'm not sure if the scent will be affected. Wait. Oh no. Okay, I think I need a dropper para walang mess. Sa Bisaya pa, para dili mausik ang scent. Kay mahal kayang scent niya. May nagtura matagak. Of course, kailangan natin siya to check the temperature. Okay, bago pala tayo magsimula, nawala yung notes ko for scented candle. So, I need to write again the right temperature, hanggang saan siya, and what's the right temperature to pour the scents. Actually guys, I feel so sleepy. So, instead na maging unproductive na naman for today, I force myself to... why is my face so... Okay. So, I force myself to move na lang and make a video. And of course, start my scented candle before Mother's Day. Kasi, okay, ito na siya guys. Nasa 180 degrees Fahrenheit na siya pala. Nasa 180 Fahrenheit and I change it. 50 grams, sobrang liit. So, ginawa kong 200, kaya dumami. So, the ml will be 20 ml. So, ayan siya. So, ayan guys. 20 ml scent. Tapos, nasa 138. So, prepare ko muna yung glass. So, ito yung gagamitin natin, guys. Clean lang natin. Tapos, ilagay na natin ng wick. Ito yung wick. Tapos, lagyan natin ito. Wait lang. Ayan. Tapos, ilagay natin siya sa gitna. Ayan siya. Ayan siya, guys. Tapos, meron ako ganito. Para sa center lang siya. Talaga. Ayan. Ayan. Handa na ang ating our glass is ready. So, since ito is already, magkano na ba? Okay, nasa desired temperature na siya, guys. Nasa 134 to 135. So, okay na to. Ito na yung 20 ml na 20 ml na scent. Tapos, i-mix lang natin siya slowly. So, after that, ayan. Lagay na natin siya, guys. Slowly. I'm really hoping na successful ito. Yan. Try natin. Kaya ba? May leftover siya, guys. So, since meron akong mold, lagay natin doon. Alright, so this is the candle. Lagay natin dito. Okay, we will use this. So, since succulent to, gamitin natin ng green. Isa akong color. This is a candle dye na binili ko. So, let's try. Diyan. So, ayan, lagyan natin ng ayan. I think that's enough. Mix natin. Para lang may little color. Ayan. Tapos, lagay na natin siya sa succulent. Here, ito yung succulent natin. Tapos, lagay natin siya. Slowly. Oh my God, ayan. And this one. So, ito yung isa guys. May ibang kulay siya kasi nilagay ko yung last. Oh, let's just wait for 2 weeks.
2 weeks later.
Hello! Welcome back to my life. It's me, Krissa, your ESL teacher slash plantita slash business chuchu. And this time, I am going to unmold my first trial for scented candle. So just like what I've said in my past videos, I am 95% sure that my first trial is a failure because I think I put too much oil. I used a 10% proportion and hindi ko naisip or late ko na na-realize na dapat 10% plus 90% na 10% oil, 90% wax para 100% sila. And ang gaga na ginawang 100% yung wax and on top yung oil. So, in all, naging 210 grams siya. So, dapat pala 190 wax, 10% oil, or 10 ml oil. Eh, hindi eh. Kaya ayan. So, this is the first one. I still have... Wait. Oh my God, it's broken. Too bad. Wait lang. So, ayan. Masyado siyang soft kasi nga, like what I've told you. But it smells so good. Hindi pa ito fully cured. Need 2 weeks pa. So, maganda siya, guys. Naputol yung isa. Oh my God. Okay, ito yung pangalawa. Hindi ko nagaganyanin kasi soft, sobrang soft na. Just like what? It's broken. So, next time, I decided to use like mas maraming. See? Ito, isang ganun lang. Tapos ito, ayan, wala talaga. Walang formation. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. You can reuse it pa naman. So, I'll just hit this and then put it in a canister para magamit pa siya. And then this one, the Daisy, I just hope hindi mag-break. See, maganda sana guys, but nag-break talaga. Sobrang soft niya. Yan. So, after 2 hours, guys, yan yung result niya. And, so far, so good. I did not expect this one to be really. Guys, hello guys. Update after 5 hours. Still successful.